So I'm trying to see if there's a problem with the power supply. So we're just going to take it apart and do some testing and see if that has something to do with the screen. Otherwise, I think maybe I'll look at my options of just actually changing everything and going to some other type of computer. So this is 24 volt power supply, and it's 360 watts, 15 amps. So we could basically replace this with any 24 volt, 15 amp, 20 amp, 30 amp power supply. And so we'll just see what can we find on Amazon, because you just have 24 volts going into the controller. That's it. Everything else is simple. So that's all you have. So we're probably going to look at doing that.